Hi students, congratulations to everyone who have cleared their IAI exams. So definitely celebration time for all of you. You have cleared your exams and you should definitely celebrate it. But at the same time, you should realize that we have our upcoming exams in May 2024. So it's high time to start realizing that yes, we have to plan our next exams for upcoming May 2024 date also. So those students who are not able to clear, in case you require any guidance with respect to whether you should continue with the same exam or you have to pick any small exam along with that particular exam, please feel free to call us on the number mentioned. The counselors are available to guide you with all the details. So in case of any queries related to your upcoming May 2024 diet, we at Academic Junction are available to guide you, and it's very important to start at the right time, because otherwise less time will be left for this diet and you will feel that I am late for the diet and let's plan it in November. And we at Academic Junction never recommend missing diet. So guys, apart from celebrating, you should also start realizing that yes, it's high time for May 2024. So whether you are able to clear or you're not able to clear, you should plan your planned exams for your May 2024 diet. So do connect with us on the number mentioned. Thank you.